What's happening, guys? Welcome back to Amelia Tutorials. My name is Alexander and now I will lead you through the cart feature. The cart feature was implemented a while ago. It's used to allow your customers to add multiple appointments from multiple services into a cart and then book them all together. It's also important to note that the cart feature is available in Pro and Elite licenses only. If you're using Starter or a standard license, you will not have this feature in Amelia. The default form is displayed like this, so customers can book an appointment and pick a date and time and simply go through the booking process, enter their details, and that's basically it. But if you want to use the cart feature, go access Amelia's settings, then under payments, simply enable the cart feature. Once you do that and refresh the front end page, your customers will be able to see the cart in here. So if we select an M service, for example, and we proceed to pick a date and a time, once we click on continue, it will show us the cart. So we can see that this is booked for one person on April 17th from 9 till 10. And now if I want to book another, I can book another appointment for the same service, or I can book a different service. So in this case, let's book another at 11 a.m. So now we have two of these. One is on April 19th, the first one is on April 17th. As you can see, you can always delete or edit the existing entry, but we can of course book another and choose Molly service and continue. And these are just custom fields that are popping up, which you can set up differently. And now we have three services that we want to book, three appointments for two services actually. So when we click on continue, we enter our name, John Doe, and the phone number is something. And upload a file, which is a mandatory option, which is a mandatory custom field. And once we click on continue, we choose the payment method, and for this video, we'll use on-site. That's it. Now, the customer booked 3 appointments for 2 separate services, and it appears as 3 separate bookings. I believe this filter is enough. Now we see John Doe for April 17th on the M service, then on April 19th on the M service, and then again for the Molly service on April 20th. So this is basically how the cart works. Also important to note that you cannot use events, you cannot use packages, you cannot use recurring appointments in the cart. It will automatically disappear. Also, once again, this feature is only available in Pro and Elite licenses. So if you're a starter or a standard user, make sure to upgrade if you require cart for your business. Now, if you guys like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care, guys.